Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to get along in Google Classroom. There are a few ways you can get there, one of which is opening up your Gmail and headed there from the waffle. Your Google Classroom, some of you is further down. I'm using my son's because I can't access the students from my side, just so you're aware. So you're looking for an assignment in class. A lot of times you can find the announcement inside of the stream. So Mr. Gurno posted an assignment here. You can click here to get to your work. And then you can click on the assignment to see what that is. My son has already submitted his work, so I'm not going to unsubmit that. But there should be a turn in button right here. Let's see if there's anything in any of his classes that's new that he hasn't turned in yet. Go back to classes. I saw something that was due in ELA. Let's see if that's been turned in yet. You can also find all of your work in classwork. There's should be a list of things. So due September 8th. Let's see if he's done that yet. It's been assigned. So we're going to open this up. You can see what the assignment is. And then after you've done your work, whatever that requires, you would not share this. Okay, so he's going to answer all these questions. Do not share. The teachers probably do not want you to do that. Okay, so he would go back to the assignment, view the assignment, and then you would turn it in, and it gets turned in just as you had typed it on this page. So he would have to obviously put his name on it in case the teacher wants it printed out. It is up here at the top, so you wouldn't have to put your name on it unless the teacher has it here. So I would assume that James needs to put his name on his paper. And then he would answer these questions and then come to where it said view assignment and then turn it in. You do have to click it twice. So you do have to turn it in here also, or it won't get turned in. If you don't type anything on it, you won't get it turned in. If you share it, it doesn't get turned in. You can turn it in from this button as well. Okay. To go back and look at some of the different items in Google Classroom, again, you have the stream, which has all the announcements that this different assignments were posted. A lot of teachers will use this sometimes too as just a place for announcement, like Mr. Borgmeyer went ahead and said what they were going to do all week long. In the classwork tab is where you'll find all of the announcements. And then if your teacher has you do an assignment on a Google slide, I'm going to show you what that looks like if I can find one real quick. So if you have a Google slide pulled up and you want to be able to see the whole thing, well, this isn't going to show right now. Hold on. So over in this area over here that you can't see, I don't know if I can hide the tools. So this grid is how it will usually show up. And this is what you'll see is this page and then this page. But sometimes you will need to click on this grid view and then increase so that you can see it. And then you'll see that you would actually type right here. This will have, you'll put a text box over that part so that you can see that. All right. Okay. And then the only other thing I wanted to show you, as Mrs. Powell showed you the other day, was that you do have a calendar full of what you need to get done. So make sure that you are looking at that as well. Or you can look at your to-do list. This is also done by assigned. These are the works. This is the work that was assigned. This is what's missing. So when your parents go and look at your Google Classroom and it says that you have something late, it'll show up this way. This was due September 4th. I don't know why he didn't turn this in. We'll have to have a chat about that. Um, so then you can also see all the things that were done. All right. So I hope this was helpful for you. I'm not sure if there's anything else that you wanted to take a look at, but there's several different things that you can do here. He already has this done in the right order, but you can move your classes around. If you click on this button, you can click move. Don't unenroll yourself from classes. That would be bad. Okay. All right. Well, signing off then. I hope you have a great day. Green, maybe?